Here I have KRUGER MATZ Move 9, and today I'm going to show you how to add a Google account on this device and also how to remove it. So first of all, you have to open settings, then go to the account section, add account, next select Google. You will need internet connection for this operation. Enter your email or phone number. Tap next. Next you have to enter your password. Tap next. Next you have to agree with Google's terms of service and privacy policy, and for the last thing tap on accept here and your account will be added. If you want to remove it, just select it here and tap on remove account. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.